All right, we're going on the most scariest ride of the whole park. This is the most scariest ride that we got. Oh, I can't even get my feet in. Okay, there you go. It's called Winnie the Pooh. This is the scariest ride, isn't it, Oliver?
Yeah, scary little Winnie hut.
God, it's so scary. Does it go upside down?
Yeah, like 3 times.
Oh, guys, you're in for a treat.
Oh, Dad, look at those scary carrots.
Oh,
I'm already.
look at those! Oh, look at those carrots! Oh, those are scary carrots.
Yeah, I'm already scared.
What is it? Oh man, we're about to get scared, guys. Oh no! Oh no! Oh shoot! Doors opening up. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh my God!
Dad, this is terrifying.
Oh, what is that floating?
Is that a bear?
That's a bear floating! Whoa, my God. Oh, my God. Look at the abuse that's going on in this place. Oh, Christ. Oh, I think that owl's flipping us off. That owl flipped us off.
Oh, Dad, I think we're upside down.
Upside down? It's raining on us.
What?
First the wind, and now
Oh, he's farting. Look, he farted out some guys. Oh my God, this is so scary, guys. Oh, look at that. It's gonna kill us. It's gonna kill us. It's gonna kill us. Go, 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 go. Oh man.
Oh no, a bear got this nice guy's house.
Is that really honey or is that drugs?
Oh,
It's
Dad.
probably drugs.
Oh, Dad, it's a ghost.
What
bear.
is that? Look at that ghost. Look at that. You look at that. It's a ghost.
It's an evil ghost.
I
bear.
knew there's ghosts here. Man, can you imagine taking drugs, getting on this ride?
Hey,
Oh, look
must
at
be
that.
bear fish.
Holy snap. Whoa, what is this? What is this? It's like Willy Wonka. Holy cow. Whoa. It's like I'm on acid, guys. What? You hear that fart? Look at this.
Dad, look at all these Gabriels.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Look, he's starting a fire on his head. Holy cow. Oh my God. Representing honey. Honey is good for you guys. Remember that. Honey is good for you.
You don't know
Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh.
wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh. Wake up.
Oh my God, imagine being on the acid trip looking at that. Guys, this ride is kind of a ride you need to get high on.
What happens for dinner?
Oh, they're eating dinner!
Yeah, they're eating us for dinner.
Eating us for dinner? Oh my God. They're here for us. They're about to serve us.
Happy birthday, Pooh.
What is that? Oh, what is this? Oh, opening up.
Sure, you'll find my present to be delicious.
Not yet, not yet. Not yet. I don't know where we had. Oh, snap. We just made it to the scariest ride of the whole park, Winnie the Pooh.